Welcome to channel Techdevil. This is gonna blow your mind. Introducing the Galaxy A55. Samsung's A series has always aimed to deliver flagship-level features at a more accessible price point. The Galaxy A55, the latest iteration in this popular lineup, takes this commitment a step further. Released in month-year, it promises a refined user experience with notable upgrades across the board. Can it live up to the hype and carve a niche for itself in the competitive smartphone market? Let's find out. The A55 enters a crowded field of mid-range contenders. It distinguishes itself by focusing on key aspects that matter most to users: a versatile camera, long-lasting battery, and a smooth, responsive performance. Samsung has clearly listened to consumer feedback, refining the A series formula to deliver a compelling package. Whether it's enough to sway potential buyers from other brands remains to be seen. Picture perfect, a deep dive into the camera. One of the most significant upgrades in the Galaxy A55 is its camera system. Samsung has equipped it with an insert megapixel count primary sensor, promising impressive image quality even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera app itself is packed with features. Users will appreciate the dedicated night mode for low-light photography. The A55 also boasts improved image stabilization for steadier videos. This is a welcome addition, especially for users who love capturing their adventures on the go. The camera interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. Even novice users will be able to capture stunning photos and videos with minimal effort. Power through your day, battery and performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 packs an insert battery-size battery. This, combined with an optimized processor, ensures you can power through your day without worrying about running out of juice. The phone handles everyday tasks with ease. Apps launch quickly and multitasking is a breeze. Gaming performance is also respectable, although the A55 might not satisfy the most demanding mobile gamers. Casual games run smoothly with minimal lag or frame drops. The phone does tend to get a little warm during extended gaming sessions, but it's not a deal breaker. Section 4. Design and display. Sleek looks, smooth visuals. The Galaxy A55 inherits the sleek design language of its predecessors. It features a insert display size AMOLED display with a insert refresh rate, offering vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. The display is bright enough for comfortable outdoor use. The phone feels comfortable to hold and use with one hand. The fingerprint sensor is integrated into the display and is surprisingly responsive. Overall, the A55 boasts a premium look and feel that belies its mid-range price point. Section 5. User experience navigating the A55. The Galaxy A55 runs on Android version with Samsung's One UI One UI version on top. The interface is clean, intuitive, and highly customizable. Samsung has included a suite of useful features. These enhance the overall user experience and provide a level of personalization often lacking in other mid-range devices. One UI can feel a little overwhelming at first, especially for users new to the Samsung ecosystem. However, with a little exploration, you'll find a wealth of options to tailor the phone to your liking. Section 6. The final verdict is the A55 a worthy contender. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is a solid mid-range smartphone that ticks many of the right boxes. It offers a compelling combination of a capable camera, long-lasting battery, and a smooth user experience. The sleek design and vibrant display further sweeten the deal. While it may not be a flagship killer, the A55 offers excellent value for its price. It's a worthy contender for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-packed smartphone without breaking the bank. Samsung has once again proven its ability to deliver quality devices across different price points. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates and reviews.